In 2024, professionals faced a frantic scramble to keep up with basic AI tools. The goal was simply to stay informed as new models released. By 2026, the market value for generic AI familiarity has shifted. High-value roles now require specific application rather than broad awareness. This creates a direct conflict. You have a limited number of hours outside of your daily responsibilities to upskill, and the field has grown too large to master in its entirety. You are currently choosing between competing demands, ranging from technical frameworks like PyTorch to the legal complexities of the EU AI Act. The risk is spending 200 hours on a baseline skill that a model can perform natively within 6 months, rather than focusing on the expertise that justifies a higher salary. Navigating the 2026 transition requires filtering out these distractions and identifying the specific skills that align with your professional trajectory. To calculate the return on your time, we use a framework called the scenario match to categorize these 2026 trends. The landscape has divided into 3 distinct roles: the technical builder, enterprise governor, and general operator. We've mapped the 10 most critical 2026 AI skill trends to these paths, evaluating each on required time investment versus measurable career results. Matching your current role to one of these tracks is a necessary step in determining where your training hours will actually produce a career advantage. The technical builder track is for data scientists, engineers, and developers who focus on the performance and architecture of AI systems. This matrix shows the builder's high entry barrier, over 100 hours mastering machine learning and PyTorch. They must also learn agentic frameworks like LangChain for autonomous systems and efficient fine-tuning like LoRa. This track yields top salaries, but demands constant, rapid upskilling. The builder track provides high compensation and autonomy, provided you maintain the pace of technical change. The enterprise governor focuses on the boardroom rather than the engineering floor, managing AI strategy, legal compliance, and human resources. Returning to the matrix, the governor's input is high strategy, mastering AI ethics by design and auditing. Driven by regulations like the EU AI Act, they act as specialized risk managers. They oversee AI for learning and development, trading technical development for career stability and bureaucratic influence. The governor track prioritizes organizational influence and career longevity over the hands-on creation of AI. The general operator track represents non-technical knowledge workers who need to use AI to improve their existing workflows. The matrix highlights the general operator. They must master multimodal prompting, instructing AI to process text, audio, and visual data simultaneously. This increases daily efficiency with enterprise software, but its lower barrier to entry makes it a baseline requirement, not a premium salary skill. Operator skills are now comparable to basic software literacy. They are necessary for efficiency, but are no longer a unique differentiator for promotion. Success in 2026 requires moving away from the goal of mastering all these trends simultaneously. This decision tree maps your 2026 focus. If you code, target agentic AI and fine-tuning. If in leadership, direct effort toward AI Act compliance and practical ethics. For general professionals, the target is multimodal prompting and basic AI literacy. Attempting to cover all 3 domains splits your attention and prevents you from reaching the level of expertise the current market requires. Professional growth in this market is found by choosing a specific track and focusing your training hours there. Broad curiosity is replaced by demand for specific expertise. Selecting one track and focusing your efforts provides the clearest path through the 2026 job market.